So these are the colors I'm using for this sweater, but because it's hard to explain in these colors, I'm going to explain in the pinks. Okay, this is just acrylic, acrylic 10 ply, I would say. Okay, so as you can see, one is the opposite of the other. The only thing that changes is in this one, you finish with 2 rows of the same color here, the black, and this one you actually use one color to each row, okay? But they're exactly the same design, even though they look different. So to start this beautiful green square, you make a magic ring, and then you chain 1, 2, 3. After that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna crochet on top of this ring, and we're gonna make double crochets. So we're gonna make 11 more. So with these 3 chains of the beginning, it's gonna count 12, okay? Now, if you prefer this way, you can cut the yarn and start with the other yarn. I don't normally do that, and I'm not gonna do that because I'm gonna undo this green square later. And so with the other color, put the other color in and make a slip knot. Okay, that slip knot, you're gonna pass through that first loop, the last loop you had, and then we're gonna make our second row here. To do that, we're gonna chain 2, and then we're gonna put our hook through that same stitch underneath and work on top of this tail as well, okay? So this row is really easy. You're gonna be working 2 stitches in every single stitch. So you're gonna finish with 24. With 24 double crochets. Now finish this row here in that second chain with a slip stitch. And then what I do is I simply pull the other color this way and I put inside the stitch. If you don't like doing this, you can just cut the yarn here and put another yarn, the new color in with the slip knot, okay? So first thing after this, I'm going to make single crochet in this same stitch, and then I'm going to put the hook right on the stitch underneath this row, the stitch on the row before, pull it and make a single crochet, and then another single crochet in this one right underneath that stitch. So I'm going to be making 1, 2, and again a long one right on the bottom. It's in between the both double crochets I had before. So I put right here, bring the yarn up and make my single crochet. One more, and then another one. Okay, so this is this part here. You should have 12 of them at the end, okay? Okay, finish this row here with slip stitch in that first stitch, or even a single crochet in this case, because there you go. Because you're gonna be making a single crochet row, so it's gonna be just 1 single crochet to each single crochet you did before. So I finished my last row here, and because I want to finish right on top of this stem here, I'm going to just make 1 more single crochet here, or a slip stitch. Okay, so now I'm right on the top of this. And then I'm going to just change like I did before to the other yarn. Pull this so it's tied, pull both so they are tied, and make 6 chains. After I made these 6 chains, I'm gonna put the hook right in that same spot, and I'm going to make a long double crochet like this. And then I'm going to count 1, 2, and the third one right on top again, and to make. And then 1, 2, 3, and another long stitch. You can be making double crochets here if you want. For me, this is fine. 1, 2, the third one. So you're gonna be repeating this all the way around, and then we're gonna change to the other color of yarn again. Now finish this row here in that 1, 2, third chain from the beginning with a slip stitch. Leave this one on the back, grab the other color. Make sure it's nice on the back if you are working this way, okay? And then make a single crochet here. Now we're gonna go up 2 chains. And all we're gonna do in this row is working these chains in between the double crochets, and we'll be making 5 double crochets in each space. So here you count the two chains on the beginning, and then go straight to the next. There's no chains in between them. Okay, so this is our next row. Go all around again. It's looking really pretty. Now, because this one I want to make like this one, the 2 last rows I want to finish with the darker pink. You can just finish this one off and cut here. I'm not gonna do that because this is my actual one that I'm making, and this is just a sample for the color. And then grab the pink, the dark pink, and start here in this middle double crochet, okay? It's gonna be on the third one, so I count 1, 2, the third one. I'm going to make 1, 2, 3 chains, okay? And then after that, I'm going to double crochet 2 in that same space, and I'm going to double crochet right here underneath, not inside, underneath these 2 stitches here. I'm going to try to double crochet here. Then I'm going to chain 2 and single crochet in that middle stitch, double chain 2 and double crochet again here. Chain 2, single crochet, chain 2, and one more time. Should have 3 of these before we make the next corner. And 1, 2. Okay, now we're gonna start the next corner. Here we started with half of the corner. We're gonna finish the other half when we finish the row. And here I'm going to make a full corner. So 1, skip 1, 2, and this third one you're gonna make 3 double crochets, two chains, and another 3 double crochets. So you're gonna have to have 4 corners, and then chain 2 and double crochet in between the next 2 stitches. So again, you're gonna have 3 times these double crochets here, this long double crochet, and then you're gonna make another corner. Okay, and then I'm gonna come back and show you how to finish this row here and go straight to the one after with the same color. Okay, getting here to where I started, I'm just going to make the 2 chains before the corner, and then I'm going to make 3 double crochets here, and then I'm gonna chain 2. That's what we have in the middle, and then I'm going to slip stitch here, and then we can start the next corner from here. Chain 3 on the beginning, and then I didn't make this space here, and then here we're gonna make 3 double crochets in each space. 3 here. So in each one of these spaces we are going to make 3 double crochets, and the corner is going to be like the corner we had before, exactly the same corner, and just 3 double crochets here. Our corner is going to be exactly like this one. Okay,